No, I'm at that stage where I'm likely to get any one of these illnesses, heart attack, stroke, cancer, all of those things.
Yes.
I see here that you have something called Scotia Criticare. What is that really? Tell us about that one.
That's I consider to be a very important product that focuses on the possibility of you actually coming down with any of these 9 critical illnesses.
Yes.
And the idea is to provide you with some resources in the event that you're diagnosed with any of those 9 illnesses. It's not necessarily about paying your medical bills. It can be used for anything. If you're diagnosed, you get a check, and this check can be used for anything. So it can help you with your recovery process. It can assist you if you need to adjust your house because now you're in a wheelchair and you need that kind of adjustment in your household to accommodate your illness. Whatever you need it for.
Who is this open to? What age do I need to be?
You need to be
get
at least
this?
18, and anyone can sign up as long as you live in Jamaica. That's the important thing.
And do I have to go and get a full physical?
Absolutely not. In fact, this is what's so great about this product. You simply walk into a branch and have a chat with one of our agents, and we're able to sign you up. There's a questionnaire that we have you fill out because, of course, if you've already been diagnosed, then you're not eligible for the product. But it's just a general questionnaire about some of your possible.
If you have already been diagnosed,
yes, you're not eligible. The end of those.
So does that mean that if I got a stroke this year, I recovered, and I come in next year, I can't get it?
You're not eligible, no.
But I could, for none of the 9 at all, I would be eligible once I've had a stroke?
Yes. Once you have, because the stroke is one of the 9 critical illnesses.
That's not fair. So suppose I recover from my stroke and I don't want to...
Barbara, the critical thing is that these policies must be bought early in the process.
Exactly.
Because the doctors and the medical professionals will tell you that having been diagnosed from one of these illnesses, it predisposes you to other of the illnesses.
That's right.
And therefore, as you know, and many persons forget this, insurance is a pool of savings.
Right.
And therefore, what is really happening is that you contribute to the pool, and then the persons who are diagnosed with a particular covered condition will benefit.
Yes.
If everybody who contributes to the pool makes a claim, then you're not going to have sufficient funds to pay those claims, cover administrative expenses, and make a return for the insurance provider.
And therefore, if I purchase this today, September 11, how long do I have to wait to benefit from it?
There's a short wait period of 180 days. And if you're diagnosed after that 180 days, then you know.
That's 6 months?
6
months. Okay. And the maximum that you can get?
$3 million at this point. So which is why we encourage you to have as many of these as possible.
You can?
Not with Scotia Insurance, but you are able to actually make a purchase with another insurance company as well. So you can have several critical illness products.
Really?
Insurance companies, yes you can.
So that's not fair, unlike the pension plan, you can't have more than one official pension provider, but you can have as many of these as possible.
That's right.
And we're saying this so that our competitors will be able to benefit. So we're not saying that you must only buy from Scotia Insurance.
Oh, that's generous. No. How long after I have been diagnosed do I have to wait for you to give me a check?
Within 48 hours, you simply come in with your diagnosis from your doctor and make your claim, and within 48 hours, you have your check.
Okay, no, very importantly, also, suppose I get a stroke this year, and I get a check, and I get a heart attack 5 years' time, will I get another check?
No, because once you've been diagnosed and you're paid the full amount of the sum insured, the policy ends.
So you don't have to take the full amount?
No, but once you're diagnosed, you will get the full amount.
Oh, you automatically get the full amount?
Yes.
So that's why I need to have several of them?
Absolutely. That's the thing.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
But and the thing is, when you think about the cost of healthcare in Jamaica these days, I mean, some people even have health insurance, but you find that even then it doesn't cover the cost. And if you're diagnosed with cancer, things like chemotherapy is so expensive that it actually suits it to have several policies, because the cost of chemotherapy could be such that one policy might not manage to cover all of it. So it benefits you to have several.
So suppose some of us wanted to prepare ourselves to get an idea of where we are and what we need to do before we come in, say from Westmoreland. Do you have a website that they could go and check some of your information beforehand?
Our website is www.scotiajamaicainsurance.scotiabank.com.
Excellent.
Yes.
And no, you are...
Or you could call in and get some more information also before you go into the branch if you wish at 1-888-GO-XJLIC, which is the same as
1-888-467-5542.
And that's like a universal number that connects you to all branches throughout the 14 parishes.
It connects you to our contact center.
I see.
And they're also licensed to give information, so they're able to have a conversation with you before you go into the branch.
So I can prepare myself.
Absolutely.
All right.